way back 2019, magka-work kami sa isang motorcycle dealership company.
Mas naging close kami kasi we're part of an engagement team sa company namin before. For that moment, dun kami mas naging close. And then yun na, nag-start na yung journey namin as a friend, and then nag-start na rin siyang manligaw. And then
inaya ko siyang lumabas hanggang sa 1 year ng panliligaw. Sinagot niya ako. Doon nag-start yung relationship namin.
Ang hirap kasi explain by words kung gaano mo kamahal yung isang tao eh. Siguro I could say na na I will do my best effort na hindi ko nagagawa before. And then I will make sure na i-give ko yung 100% ko for him as my partner and to our future family.
Today, as my always inaantok na back ride, I'll always make sure to keep us safe sa mga biyahe natin. I'll give you comfort and make you feel the best in times na inaatake ka ng dysmenorrhea. We'll praise and worship God together. I'll always respect, protect, and honor you. I assure you of these things, and it is possible with our God.
Ito tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli.
Today, as we stand here in front of our family and friends, I vow to be your personal assistant on your freelancing journey. Because Genesis 2 verse 18 says, I'm here to help. I will make sure and do my best effort not to neglect my responsibility to you as your partner. Dahil gusto kong makita ng mga future nating mga anak how a true love should be in a marriage. And finally, I'll do my best to remember that God is always the center of our relationship and our family.
Hi, love. Thank you for the years na magkasama tayo. Thank you for the support na lagi mong binibigay sa akin for every decisions na ginagawa ko. Today, I'm very thankful kay God and super happy and excited na we're here for 4 years na magkasama tayo. Andito na tayo sa part and sa very first journey ng ating pagsasama.
Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman mong iyo ko.
Hi Pat, thank you so much na sa wakas dumating na tong moment na to, and we will do our best para mas mag-grow pa tayo, not just individually but of course
ng tayong magkasamang dalawa. You don't know kung gaano ko ka-grateful na nakilala kita and kung gaano ko ka-happy every time na magkasama tayo. And you really make my life complete.
Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo at ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman iyo ako.